Ready for a quick dive into the latest buzz surrounding Apple's iPhone 16 Pro and the whole lineup? Well, you're in luck because we're keeping this video short, sweet, and to the point. Let's kick things off with design, shall we? It's rumored that the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max could feature a polished titanium frame. According to reports from news aggregator Use 1122, there's speculation that the iPhone 16 might boast a glossier finish, resembling the highly polished stainless steel seen in earlier Pro models. Notably, this new titanium finish is expected to offer improved scratch resistance compared to stainless steel. But that's not all on the design front. There's news about the reduction of bezels. According to a supply chain report, Apple's display suppliers have acquired new border reduction structure (BRS) technology, allowing for even slimmer bezels on the iPhone 16 series. Now, there were initial concerns about potential overheating due to the tighter wiring spaces, but it seems those worries have been effectively addressed. This enhanced technology has been obtained by all three of Apple's display suppliers: Samsung, LG, and BOE. Furthermore, leaked CAD files suggest that the iPhone 16 Pro could feature a larger action button and introduce a new capture button. What's the deal with this capture button, you ask? Well, it's not your run-of-the-mill shutter button. According to reports, this button is expected to respond to both touch and pressure, allowing for intuitive camera controls, like zooming in and out with just a swipe. And the best part? Apple intends to incorporate the capture button across the entire iPhone 16 lineup. And that's not all. Speculations abound regarding a potential shift in camera layout for the vanilla models of the iPhone 16. By adopting a configuration reminiscent of the iPhone 15 Pro, these devices could unlock advanced features such as spatial video recording, a feature currently exclusive to the Pro models. Switching gears to performance, both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro are rumored to sport a version of the A18 chip this year, so that's something new. Right now, the iPhone 15 packs the A16 chip, while its Pro counterpart rocks the A17 Pro chip. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are said to be packing the A18 Pro chip, boasting a beefed-up die area that can handle more transistors and specialized components, ultimately giving you better performance. And get this, Apple's apparently taking a split approach to its AI features. Some stuff might be handled in the cloud, possibly teaming up with Google, while other features could be processed right on your device. Now, let's talk displays. Prepare for bigger and better screens, folks. Rumor has it that both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are expected to get bigger displays, measuring in at 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches respectively. But the real showstopper here? All four models are rumored to feature LTPO technology, laying the groundwork for always-on displays. Currently, only Samsung produces LTPO displays for Apple, but it looks like Apple might be shaking things up by bringing BOE aboard as a second LTPO supplier. More suppliers mean more options and potentially better availability, ensuring that you get the best display experience possible. And finally, before we wrap things up, let's talk launch and release timeline. If history is any indication, Apple typically holds its annual iPhone event in September, with new iPhones hitting the shelves shortly thereafter, usually on the Friday of the following week. So mark your calendars and get ready. Thank you for joining us for this rapid-fire overview of the iPhone 16 lineup leaks. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on Apple's latest offerings. Until next time, peace out.